What up, what up? I decided to come outside, man. I was so tired of being inside. I went for a walk. I washed the car. I'm staying away from everybody. But you do need to practice social distancing. But I miss MOPAR. So the whip is clean. I just went and got me some tire shine, but really don't even need to put any tire shine on this thing because it's just going back inside the garage. But yeah, man, I miss doing the vlogs, everything. So I was like, I'm going outside for a little bit, come over to my favorite spot where there's nobody around me and shoot a quick video. So yeah, man, I gotta go home and do the windows. Car wash was empty, which is what I like. But yeah, man, this thing is sitting pretty nice, man. The car looks like it's settled a little bit since the last time. What do you guys think? You think it's settled down a little bit? I think it's settled down just a little bit more. Yeah, I think so. Yeah, I think it sat down a little bit. It's still looking clean though, man. I was like, man, I miss doing videos. I gotta break out of the house for a little bit. So here we are. So hopefully you guys been doing good, man, and enjoying your MOPARs when you can. Man, this thing is sitting low. I went over a bump and I was like, whoa. Yeah, it's sitting nice. I do want to I added a rear camera. You don't know, but in a lot of my cars I have 2 cameras set up, and I just ordered a 4K camera and a 2K camera set up. I'm not gonna get rid of my camera in the front because that's connected to my radar detector. Like this whole setup, that's $750 when I got it. So now it's down to 700, I think. But I added another camera in the back. Let me show you. But I'm about to change it out to 2K, and I'm gonna put because these are motion detecting cameras. See right there. So I can leave that on, like if I go to the store or something. You know what I'm saying? I can see who did what, and then notify me. Pretty expensive setup, but shoot, man. When I do go somewhere, I want to have some kind of protection away from the car. You know what I mean? So everything is still doing good on this bad boy, man. When you don't drive your car for a while, you know, the tires get a little, you know, it feels like they're getting flat or whatever, and so you got to drive it. I still only have 1,800 miles on this car, but I still haven't done a burnout yet, man. I realized that I was going for a ride just now, and I came from the store getting some tire stuff, and I was like, man, I haven't even done a burnout, and I will do one once things get back right. But yep, car's still doing good, man. Let me get a start up. It's a warm start, but hey. Sounds crazy. Love it. Anyway, man, I had to put I didn't have to. What I did was, I told you in another video, one of my headlights went out on my 300. So I went ahead and put my factory bulbs back in both of the cars. And then what I'm gonna do is order some I'll probably just go full, I'll switch it up. I might just save it. I'll save it for a video, but I'm gonna change it up probably. Cause I was like, I don't wanna, actually I was just bored, man. I was like, I'm changing the bulb on only one of my headlights went out on the other car, and I said, man, I'm gonna do both cars. I remember saying that in another video, but yeah, this is a shaky cam production, but I had to give you some footage, man. I miss doing vlogs. I miss going out, shooting videos and stuff. And it's Friday, so I'll be in the house. I'm in the house every day though, honestly. I don't go anywhere unless I just really have to, and I try to stay away from people. I wear the mask. You know, I'm just trying to get a little bit of exercise here and there. Just be active, man, you know, because when you sit in the house all day and you're not active at all, you know, you get lazy. Your body starts to catch up to you, man. I think I put on about 10 pounds. I'm eating good, that's for sure. Yeah. All right, I'm about to get out of here, man. I will see you guys in the next video. Take care.